Okay, so what do you have to say for yourself, sir? What do you have to say? Tell me. What do you have to say? But without crying, though. Hey, without fussing. Without fussing.
Mommy, what you doing? Mommy, what you doing?
The whole world was worried about you, sir.
Mommy, what you doing?
The whole entire world.
Oh,
And that's what you want to say to him? Hey, 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 hey.
I got 4 more.
I have to go to work, sir. I have to go. I'm not even supposed to be here. Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, we're all yawning over here. But I'm about to head out. Got the truck warming up out there. He is feeling a lot better. Feeling a lot better. So thank you guys for your prayers, concerns, your thoughts. We are back to normal, I think. I don't hear any kind of congestion or anything. Everybody else seems to be feeling a lot better. I think I'm the only one who didn't get sick, other than just a change of climate or whatever. But I think we're back to normal. So now that everything's good here, we're about to head on to work. So I will catch you guys. Where will I catch you guys at? I'll probably catch you guys at the yard. So y'all go check out the intro, and I'll see y'all at the yard right before or after I do my pre-trip. We'll see.
It's you and me.
She's all pre-tripped and ready to go. I did have to jump it off. The batteries were dead on it. That is on my to-do list. New batteries, check. Let's do one more final walk around. I am aware that this mud flap over here but we do need a bad truck wash, so we might try to get that done today. That's progress. Only a few drops of oil. So I did go down there and tighten the bolts for the oil pan gasket because I knew I was leaking oil down there. So I did go down there and tighten those bolts up the other day. And we don't have nowhere near as much oil as we had before on the ground. They weren't really too loose, but you can never tell. So I tightened those up. It's a lot better down there. But now that we've got the whole family stuff resolved, now it's time to get back on track. I mentioned in yesterday's video that due to me having the time off and deadheading back and all that kind of stuff, we were not able to pay off our credit card like we were planning to. So that has to be postponed because I didn't really work last week. I just deadheaded back the load that I took only paid for my fuel to get back home. And so I will not be getting a check this week. And it's gonna push us back about a good week or two as far as paying off the credit card. So, but family's okay, family's good. Y'all see Emmanuel's doing a lot better. So it's time to get back out here to do what we do best. So let me put this truck, this Ram in this spot here, and let's get rolling. Let's do a quick little walk around. I thought I heard a weird noise. Come from back here. I don't know if I hit something and it, I don't know. We're at an old way station. I guess they use it for inspections now, but what in the world? Yeah, I thought I heard something weird, but I guess not. Guess we'll get back on the road here, but I don't know what it is with me and weigh stations and inspection stations and pulling over at them, but I don't see anything, so it was like a weird like metal on metal noise. I don't know if I hit something and it hit the frame of the trailer or what, but I don't see anything weird, so let's get back on the road. Man, guys, I am so mad at myself. I missed out on some loads that went from Houston down to Laredo that paid like $5.50 a mile. They paid like $1,800, a little over $1,800. $5.50 a mile. I missed out on it. The agent is a lady I work with. Actually, the agency that I'm picking up in Memphis, bringing back home, is with her agency. But she had posted them and emailed me some loads. And by the time I called, they were gone. Like they posted. All right, y'all, I'm trying to get back home. They posted, and within minutes, they were already gone. I had called her a few times. Right as they posted, I was calling, and it kept going to her voicemail. Can't believe I missed out, man. But it was a straight through run too. So I pick it up at I think 4 or 5 that morning, delivered straight through. Drop and hook. I think they're probably IKEA loads. I don't know. IKEA or Home Depot. I keep hearing this little whining noise too when I push my accelerator. I need to check my fuel filter. See what that's looking like. But here's a load here posted now from Houston to Laredo, paying $3.55 a mile, which is like $10.50. Going to Laredo, Mississippi, from Houston to Laredo, Mississippi, $2.85 a mile. I think that one was like a 2-stop, paying $13.50. Arizona, yeah, there's another one from Houston to Corpus Christi, paying $5.44 a mile. But I can't do that one because the pickup is at 3 a.m. and I don't think I'll have my hours back there early by the time I get back. Yeah, I need to check my fuel filter. I feel like a little whining noise. Man, I cannot believe I missed out on those loads. We're coming up on Lufkin, Texas. We're about 36 miles away from there. And from what it looks like, we'll be there about 11 o'clock tonight at our destination. If I can stay focused and just keep pushing on driving. I am going to stop in Shreveport, Louisiana to get the truck washed. The truck and trailer washed, because this is a no-go, no bueno. I cannot be riding around this dirty. Oh man. Yeah, so tomorrow starts off our revenue. I want to do $30,000 in revenue for the month of November. And from the looks of it, we're off to a rocky start. Today is October 31st. Tomorrow is November 1st. And we're off to a rocky start, but I want to make that goal for myself, especially over the winter months. $30,000 is going to be a little tricky, but I think we can do it. I don't know what it is about sleeping in my own bed. There is nothing like it. There's nothing like sleeping in your own bed and showering in your own shower. It is it's so refreshing. I mean, sleeping in this bed is okay. Maybe if I got more of a comfortable mattress, it'd make a difference. But, which I want to get a more comfortable mattress for obvious reasons. You know, I'll sleep better. But then also, I don't want to get a comfortable mattress because I don't want to get comfortable in the truck. I like being comfortable at home. And speaking of mattresses, I need to look into getting a bed for our oldest son, who's 4, Josiah. I mentioned to y'all a couple of weeks ago, he had randomly FaceTime me to tell me that I guess he's out-matured his bed. And so I told him for his birthday on December 1st that I'll get him a new bed. And so that is, we looked a little bit this past weekend, but we'll probably go out again this weekend and look, just kind of get an idea of what's out there. But I don't know what we're going to get them yet. We might get them a bunk bed and move some of the kids around since we have the newborn and everything. Because at first they had their own rooms, but I guess now we'll have to pair 2 of them up because we only have 3 bedrooms upstairs and 4 kids. So we'll have to figure that out eventually. So I might get him a bunk bed, that way he and my second born, Zeke, can share. Since they're so close in age, they're only a year and 11 days apart in age. So we might put them in the same room since they have similar interests. So I don't know. I don't know why I'm yawning. I slept pretty good last night. The newborn, Emmanuel, like, he woke up probably at about 4 or 5 this morning, kind of fussy. And so I took that shift, and I had just laid him on my chest, gave him a pacifier. It took him about 30 to 45 minutes, and he slept right on my chest last night. But, I don't know why, but I cannot sleep on my back. I sleep on my stomach, I can sleep on my side, but I cannot sleep on my back. I don't know what it is. So when he slept on my chest, I couldn't go back to sleep for a while. But I still had a better night's sleep than what I get in this truck. Yeah, I think the kids pretty much slept in today too, which is really nice. We did not have to get up super early this morning. So that was nice too. Guys, let's get back on this road, and I will catch you guys at the, hopefully at the Blue Beacon. Just pulling over for a few minutes to get some fuel, top it off a little bit. Let's see, how much fuel did that get us? Yeah, about 7/8 of a tank. I had a little bit left over. So the way Landstar works, actually before I discuss that, the fuel is $4.29 a gallon. With the Landstar discount, we're getting it at $3.48. So they don't give us those discounts at the pump. They give it to us through a rebate. So we get the difference put back on the card automatically. Now, the way Landstar works is we don't have an open fleet card to where we can get fuel when we want to. What we do is we take money off the load as a fuel advance. So let's say the load pays $2,000. We pull $500 off that load, off the amount, as a fuel advance. So then now the load pays $1,500, the balance of it. So the money we get for fuel is a fuel advance off the rate of the load. Now, I had some money left over from our savings last time, since we saved about 90 cents a gallon and I filled all the way up. So I used that money and it got us 50 gallons of fuel. That's pretty good. So we're right here in Lufkin, Texas, almost in Nacogdoches, where we had that truck show a couple of months ago, that Old Town Rig Down truck show. We're at the pilot right here. And so we're gonna continue on. We're just taking our time getting out there. Our load tomorrow doesn't pick up until about 3 p.m. It's a drop and hook, but they said it won't be ready till 3 p.m., which I've done that load before, and last time it was ready earlier. So we will see. But let's go ahead and put these nozzles back, get back on this road, and so we can go get this truck washed. Shout out to Visor Buddy for the shades. Guys, so I talked to Visor Buddy. Y'all have not gotten any of the shades. If you go to Visor Buddy's website, the link is down there in the description. Go down there, get you a pair of shades. They have, so they're polarized glasses, guys. Polarized. Y'all see me use them all the time, and I have no issues with the sun, in addition to my visor extender there. So, they have reduced the price down to the sunglasses. They are in comparison to Ray-Bans. I don't know the other brands of sunglasses. I'm not really a high dollar sunglass person, but they are in competition with them. But they have raised the price. I'm sorry, they have decreased the price down to $100. Plus, if you use promo code USA Truckers, they will give you an additional 10% off. So go there, get you a pair of Visor Buddy shades, let me know what you think. I know some of y'all got them for free at our last giveaway. Some of y'all have thought about purchasing some, and some of y'all have actually bought the visor extenders. I've seen y'all out in public. I've seen them in y'all's trucks. But check out these two. Let me know what you think down there in the comments. It is definitely a quality product. Y'all see me wearing mine all the time, and they look cool. My wife got a pair. She's always wearing hers, and she loves them. The first thing she said is, "Oh wow, they're so fancy." Even the packaging for them. Let me see. Do I still have the packaging? It's somewhere in this truck. I don't know where it is. But awesome packaging, awesome product, awesome customer service. Y'all go check them out. Now, let's get back to getting on this road. It feels so good to have a clean truck. While I was waiting, went ahead and made a sandwich. We made it down here to Shreveport, Louisiana. I want to pull over probably at this QT across the street. But that took perfect timing. We got to do our 30-minute break while sitting there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and creep over to this TA. And then what I'll do is we'll get out, check out the truck and the trailer and see how they did on the wash. And she's clean again. Oh yeah. It's just something about driving a clean truck. You got left all kinds of dirt up there. What in the world, man? Oh, blue beacon. So we just booked a load from an agency that I've been running for regularly. It picks up in Shepherd, Texas, going down to Laredo. Pays $1,200. I think it's like $375 or like $380 a mile. Same load I did the other day, just pays $50 more. Well, not the exact same load, but the same agent. Similar load, same agent. So he has loads that go from Houston to Laredo, and they usually pay between $1,000 to $1,500 depending on where it's going in Laredo. So sorry, I know the camera's kind of shaky because the truck is on. But yeah, so that's what we have going on. So I have a load going down to Laredo. Now I have to find one coming out on Friday that I can deliver on Monday somewhere. Or over the weekend. I don't know. But that's where we're at as of now. So maybe I can find a weekend delivery. I don't know. But let's get back on this road. We have... What's the sun, man? Ooh, can y'all even see me with that sun like that? I can't see y'all. There we go. All right. We have 5.5 hours to go. Ugh. So we should be there. I mean, if I get there at midnight tonight, I'm not really tripping. There's a long driveway I saw on Google Street View. So we can park on location. I'll get my hours back by 10. Hopefully I'll be offloaded by then. Thank you, truck, for blocking the sun for us. So that is a plan as of right now. If I don't stop again, we should be getting it by 11:30 tonight. So, all right, let's get back to rolling. Like I said, we're in Shreveport, so y'all will see a little bit of that. And we're gonna shoot up north, up to Olive Branch, Mississippi.
But I can picture us rolling, sliding, riding, driving, taking pics, enjoying the moment. See, when I'm with you, yeah, I feel the hate, consider it a bonus. I know they mad that I'm with you, and we became a component. But as the wind blows, so the sun shine in the morning. Meaning I never have a doubt the light's bright at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, I might go through some things and it would normally crumble, but we together and we can weather the storm. You got me, it's on. Man, I keep my focus, no distractions, LeBron. After the trophy, but they hoping that I'm lacking the heart. They think I'm joking when I say that you was right from the start. It ain't no way that I can win if we get broken apart. I know I need you like a bee needs his honey, like carrots and bunnies, like cheetahs and running, or like some food and I'm telling. All I need and all I ask for is you. Yeah, you the only one I need. So tell me, can we ride? Can we cruise? Take a ride with me. You can take a ride with me. Come on, you're the only one I need. I like it when it's you and me. Hey. Cherish the moment, I'm glad you in it in my life. You decided to help me grow and get through it. See, I'm not perfect and I make mistakes. Sometimes they be foolish, but you look past it and you stuck around my ride in the truest. I guess you seen something in me to do it, and I'm thankful for real. You keep me going, take me far as I can. You push me hard and I'll get smarter, better father. Raise my daughters, help me grow and become grown as a man. You think they hear what I'm saying? A better position when I followed your plan. I put away my childish thoughts, it's time to think like a man. I guess the only way to show them is right out to the end. And never lose sight, stand focused, super glued to the plan. I know I need you like the country needs land, or like the church and needs fans, or like most children need playing, or like some love and romance. All I need and all I ask for is you. Tell me, can you ride with me? Can we slide? Can we cruise? Take a ride with me. You can take a ride with me. Yeah. When it's you and me.
Welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. That truck is lit up over there. Is that a reefer? Yeah. We're coming up on Memphis. Right now we are in West Memphis on the Arkansas side. Looks like they have the bridge lit up. Actually, I need to slow down. I think the speed limit is 55 up here. Actually, I think I need to get over one lane too, because this one ends. Yeah, speed limit 55. I-20 around to 49, going up through Texarkana. Then we jumped on I-30, went through Little Rock, Arkansas, and jumped on I-40. And shortly, I think we're going to be taking 55 south, going down to Mississippi. Shows we're only 27 miles away. Tennessee Welcome Center, no trucks. Tennessee Volunteer State welcomes you. Pretty smooth, straightforward. Okay, yeah, we're gonna take the 240 bypass around. Gotta love Memphis, Tennessee. Let's go to slow down up here. Over to the right lane. Alrighty, yeah. Yep, 240 down towards Jackson, Mississippi. Yep. Camaro, speed it up. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, y'all can go ahead and fly right by me. Go ahead. Go ahead, FedEx. Y'all got a reputation. Somebody broke down up here in the right lane. Dang, what the heck was that? Oh, somebody's whole axle came. Oh, snap. The whole chassis came from under that container. Wow. Alright, I guess. Alright, lane ends. I need to get over. Thank you. Dr. MLK Drive, locate Junior Avenue, Crump Boulevard, and Lamar Avenue. Next right. No thanks. I have heard stories about Lamar Avenue. Not gonna say what they were, just know I've heard stories. Yeah, I did not have any luck booking a load. There were some good loads that popped up. By the time I had called them in, they were already gone. I guess more and more people are starting to book their stuff out a few days in advance. People are getting hungrier and hungrier and more competitive booking these loads. Up here. Over there, man. I can't wait till we get some work done on this truck. Speed limit 55. Okay. Our little white car. You want to get out my blind spot there? Come on. Whoa. Okay. Now what is going on up here? Ooh, y'all should have let us know a long time ago to get over, man. Not on the curb. That's dangerous, man. Everybody back there slamming on their brakes. Yeah, that's dangerous, man. Wow. Hope nobody gets hurt. Alright guys, we got 22 miles to go. Catch y'all there. All right, guys, we're parked. It's nice and chilly out too. So I tried to drive all the way through. Well, as y'all can see, I tried to turn in multiple times, but I guess that warehouse part is not open yet down there. But according to Google Images, there's a lot of trailers back there that way. So we just go down that driveway. But there's a closed gate in the guard shack right there. So I'm just gonna park right here. Off the road, we are within Landstar policy to not be parked off the side of the road. We're in a private facility on a private lot. And there's the entrance right down there by that curb. I didn't want to park in the curb just to make sure I wasn't in the way, but yep. We are good right here. Yes, and she's all clean too. All right, guys, I hear an air leak somewhere, guys. Anyway, let's get back into this truck because it is freezing out here. Y'all hear the air leak? It's coming from under where the steps, the battery box is. Brad, if you're watching this, you can probably diagnose that in a split second. Oh man, it's freezing, guys. But it just means I don't have to idle the truck tonight. Since my heater and my sleeper does not work. I'm thinking it's probably just a blend door actuator. That's the problem. Which I gotta tear that bunk apart and find out where it is. I'm thinking that's what it is. Either that or probably I don't know, like an air duct is stuck or sticking or something. I don't know. But I'm thinking my uneducated guess is the blend door actuator. That's what I'm thinking it is. But yeah, guys, that is it for today. So if you made it to the end of the video, I want to talk to you about something. We're going to be doing a giveaway because we made it to 5,000 subscribers, right? We are working on the merch because we made it to 5,000 subscribers, right? Also, guys, since y'all love that couples game night that we did a couple of weeks ago, we're going to be doing another game night. But it's not going to be a couples game night. It is going to be a little bit different. We do like interacting with you guys on a personal level on the live. So, I mean, in person too, but specifically we're talking about the live. So what we're going to do is we're going to host another game night to where you all can join us on YouTube Live like you did before, to where I had the split screen. I was on one side, you were on the other. But what I'm going to have you guys do, since I'm a musician, I'm going to incorporate that a little bit into the channel. So, y'all can see me a little bit better. I know I'm dark, so I need as much light as possible. There we go. All right, I want y'all to see me when I tell y'all this. So, here's what we're going to do. We are going to host a game night to where it is going to be based off of talent, but also off of creativity. So we're going to have two giveaways. One giveaway is going to go to the person who's most talented in this area. The second giveaway is going to go towards creativity. So what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you guys sing the intro song. You know, the "Come Take a Ride With Me." I'm going to have you... Why is my GoPro decided to record all of a sudden? That was weird. That was weird, guys. Hey, GoPro. GoPro. That was weird, guys. That was really weird. It just started recording out of nowhere. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to have you guys sing it live on YouTube, the theme song. So we're looking for talent. Talent is going to include being on pitch, saying every word correctly, you know, just like your American Idol, America's Got Talent kind of deal. But the second giveaway is, even if you're not talented, because I know everybody can't sing, and I didn't want to limit it to people who cannot sing, who are just vocally and pitch challenged. So creativity is going to be the second way we do this. So the second way is the most creative way to sing the song, whether that means you're, I don't know, singing in a hat, in a fancy hat, or imitating me, or I don't know, whatever y'all want to do. So the first talent, second creativity. It's going to be two separate prizes for two separate winners. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So make sure you learn the lyrics to the theme song, which you probably should know the lyrics already as much as that song plays. So yeah, and actually I might do a huge, big giveaway if you can recite the whole entire song, which I will have that song will be in today's video. The whole entire song, if you can recite it from beginning to end, if you can recite the whole entire song, I might have a huge giveaway if you can do that. I might do a third prize for that. But yeah, guys, that's where we're at. So thank y'all for tuning in. We have greatly surpassed 5,000 subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I told y'all about the plan that I have with on my goal as far as the revenue and just kind of some channel updates on what we got going on, just to kind of keep you guys updated. Once again, y'all see Emmanuel is doing well. The kids are doing a lot better. Thank y'all so much for your thoughts and your prayers. We really, really, really do appreciate that. But yeah, guys, I will catch you all on the next one. So this is Landstar Texas Ranger signing off. I will catch you guys at noon Central Standard Time tomorrow. Ooh-wee. Some homemade pasta.